ISRO conducted the written exam in January 2024, 7th January 2024, and the result is declared on 2nd of May 2024. And इंटरव्यू डेट्स हैव नॉट बीन गिवन, लेकिन जल्दी ही इंटरव्यू की डेट्स अनाउंस हो जाएंगी, मेरे को लगता है नेक्स्ट वीक और नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट वीक, विद इन 2 weeks इंटरव्यू डेट्स विल बी अनाउंस्ड, एंड ISRO will give you little more than 1 month for preparation of interview as per the past, you know, 2021 एक्सपीरियंस वी हैव. तो इसका मेरे को लगता है कुछ टाइम आपको देंगे. ISRO इंटरव्यू कैरीज अ वेटेज ऑफ 50%. 50% is written, 50% interview. 50% is a really big chunk, weightage is huge. Interview के लिए friends, one of the most important thing is like you need to practice a lot. You need to practice so that you do lot of snaps and mocks of most important subjects of your branch. Now, before I show you the exact result, let me tell you that Yourpedia, this very channel has marathon videos of each of the important subjects of mechanical engineering, electronics, electrical engineering, computer science engineering. So you can take the benefit of those marathons, and they are in the playlist intro marathons. And at the same time, on the panel of Yourpedia, there are so many technical snaps. And start practicing with the mentors of Yourpedia, because जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ही आपका कॉन्फिडेंस होगा, एंड यू कैन गो फॉर दैट ISRO. टिपिकली ISRO इंटरव्यूज लाइक टेक्निकल डोमेन में वो जाएंगे, HR बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होता, थोड़ा सा पार्ट होता है, लेकिन टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स में वो जाएंगे, एंड दे वांट टू चेक योर नॉलेज ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स. एट द सेम टाइम दे वांट टू चेक your thinking part also. It is not as in depth as BARC interview, but at the same time it is not as shallow as some public sector oil companies also. तो उनके बीच में रहता है और टेक्निकल वो पूछते हैं. Now, maybe if I can share my screen and show you the result of ISRO. So maybe it is visible to you now, friends. If you go on the website of ISRO, they have mentioned here the result which is declared. So the exam was conducted for scientist C post, and they have as of now declared the result of electronics and mechanical and computer science. इन तीनों के मैराथन्स योरपीडिया एजुकेशन चैनल के ऊपर पड़े हैं. द मैराथन्स ऑफ दीज थ्री, यू कैन प्रिपेयर दीज थ्री. दे आर वेरी nicely made marathon videos, and you can prepare from this. आज से ही इसको स्टार्ट कर दो. जैसे मैकेनिकल के आपके थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल, हीट ट्रांसफर, and other subjects like mechanical vibration. So playlist में आपके मैराथन पड़े हुए हैं. You can start going through that, and उनको सुनना आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. So this is the list for electronics. They have shortlisted candidates for electronics engineering, and I think this is the answer key. I think yeah, the list is also they have provided here. Yeah, so for electronics, please check your result. They have given the list. For electronics, they have shortlisted 200 candidates for the interview. That is for electronics. Similarly, for I think other branches also they have shortlisted candidates. For each of the list they have shortlisted. Let me share other list also. Yeah, for mechanical, I think this is the list for mechanical candidates. For interviews, they have mechanical looks like a big number. Yeah, so almost 800 candidates shortlisted for mechanical. And friends, please start your preparation as soon as possible. ISRO बहुत अच्छी opportunity है, and I'm very sure you can crack this interview अगर आप अच्छे तरीके से इसकी preparation करेंगे. And similarly, there's a shortlisting for computer science candidates also, and in computer science also they have been shortlisted some 219 candidates. So this is the list of candidates they have shortlisted: electronics, computer science, and mechanical. Other list is also going to come for other branches like civil ke the, electrical ke the. Soon that is also going to come. So start your preparation as soon as possible. Now less time you have, but sufficient time. 1 month is sufficient time. Practice करना start करो. Prepare your favorite subjects, prepare your projects. They tend to ask you the question from there, and do as much practice as possible. Look forward to mentor you friends. So let's start the preparation. Thank you.